Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can send money through Western Union. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. Well, this is the website Western Union, which provide the feature to send money. Here you can see the 4 steps through which you can send money to another countries. In the first step, login. If you don't have a profile, then simply log into the official website and create your profile. In the second step, start your transfer. Enter the destination country. Then enter the amount you would like to send. Then select send to a bank account. Then select your payment method. In the third step, enter your receiver details. You will need your receiver's bank details like bank name, code, and account number. You can save your receiver's details to make repeat transfer faster and easier. In the fourth step, pay and hit send. Make sure to check your details before hitting send. Once the money transfer is done, they will email you a confirmation message with the money transfer control number. Share the money transfer control number with only your intended receiver. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.